Remember what I said, huh?
What? What'd you say?
You want to be looked at like meat in a market, huh? Nah, she's like fresh seafood.
So it's another very beautiful day today out here in Orange County, Fullerton. And Daniel is bringing me to Target because we're going to the beach today and I gotta
She's kind of bushy and smeary.
Stop, gross! I'm gonna edit that out.
No, you gotta put it in.
Yeah, he's being nice. Alright, let's go.
Wait,
we're gonna die. Daniel thinks I need men's shaving. No, I want girly shaving. I wanna punch your face off. Let's see what's good. I'm just gonna choose something. Daniel calls me the Target expert because I am the Target expert. Wait, did you want to buy snacks? No? Look at all the snack aisles. We're looking for a beach ball because, you know, we're going to the beach.
I have stuff to do at the beach, right?
Check out girls. Tell it to the vlog. Hey, you want to be like Buff Daddy over here, right?
Oh, no, this is fake.
See, that's why you're wearing red.
Come in.
Successful Target trip. And Daniel bought me all these because
I bought you all that.
Because he owes me book money because we're sharing a book in our honors class.
Yes, we are, but I'm gonna read all of it, and she's not gonna read. So.
He can just tell me about it.
Yes.
BFFs.
Yeah. You want to be looked? Remember what I said, huh?
What? What'd you say?
You want to be looked at like meat in a market, huh? Nah, she's like fresh seafood.
No, look. What did you say?
Yay! She likes fresh seafood. Whoa!
At the beach. Whoa.
Fresh cut grass, one cold beer. Thank the Lord, I am here and now. Here and now. Summer dress, favorite part. Bless your soul, we are here and now. Here and now. I'm wide awake, so what's the point of dreaming when your life is great? Celebrate the feeling, celebrate the feeling. Oh! Can't complain about much these days, I believe we'll be okay. Oh, 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 oh. Can't complain about much these days, I believe we'll be okay. Oh, 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 oh. We'll scream it out, I believe we'll be okay.
So right now the sun's kind of like better now. I'm with Christian.
What up?
And where are we?
We're at Corona Del Mar Beach.
Where is it near? Like Newport?
Yeah, we're near
like
the airport.
yeah. And like it's like really good weather now. Like it's like nice weather.
So breezy.
So So we made it to the top of this rocky mountain. And there's boys jumping off right there. Well, why isn't he jumping off? He's scared. Up, jump, whoop, boop. Narrating. So we just jumped down this rock thingy, and it's like super high tide right now, but it still looks really nice. Ew. We made it to Palm Tree Island.
Palm trees.
Whoa. Show me what a palm tree looks like. And our people are right over there. The blue tent. I'm gonna eat hot dogs soon. Move your dog. Oh, dancing dog.
And beautiful weather, even though it's kind of hot, but it's okay. I still love you. God, I thank you for all the wonderful people who have gathered here today. I'm thankful for all the conversations that we had. So I pray that you'll bless over this time of worship, that it may be worthy and glorify your name. In your name I pray, amen.
Where's David?
Every high thing. Cause like I've been searching my whole life to find screen like place. Maybe it's the party talking or the chocolate fondue.
So I got new slides, and those are the new, what are they called?
Jerusalem 7s. Limited edition.
Limited edition. And we're eating at the Hat now. Wow. You think we can finish it? Yeah. Eat it. So we switched flip-flops.
25 cents.
He wants money from me. Who does he think he is?
Come on.
We're neighbors, by the way. We live 2 doors down. Yeah, neighbors. Yeah, now we're just chilling with, we're not wearing our, our own flip-flops.
You know what?
I have really bad hat hair right now, but today was so much fun. And yeah, it's been a year since I joined Epic, because my first Epic event was at the bonfire too. So yeah, the beach was super fun, and I just can't wait to hang out with Epic people more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and always live a life you can't put into words. Peace.